Yeah, we did. Look at all the different kinds of slimes, and they have different textures, and now you can mix all of them. Look, that's like our party. Krishna, today we are going to play with some slime. We have so many different kinds of slime today, and we are going to have so much fun exploring all of them and then making a rainbow slime with all of them.
No, rainbow sweet popcorn.
Rainbow sweet popcorn slime? That's what we're going to make. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Alright, let us see what we have. Let us first explore this Galaxy X-Star slime. We have two kinds. One is gold and the other one is peacock blue in color.
Purple, yellow, or blue.
Yes, it's a mixture of colors. So let's open this up and see what's inside of them. You want to try opening that one?
Yes. I opened it. Rainbow popcorn mixer.
Okay, rainbow popcorn mixer it is. Look, what do you think about this slime?
I think it's good.
It's good? What does it feel like?
Squishy and mushy.
Squishy and mushy, yes. It's so shiny, isn't it? Nice and bright and gold in color. Yeah, look how squishy it is. You want to squish them all up together and see what happens? Squish it into a big ball, and then when you are done playing with it, we can add it into the bowl so we can make our rainbow slime. Is it stretchy?
Yes.
Okay, you want to try and show me how it is stretchy? There, look at that. It's so much fun. Do you want to open these ones that have the purple slime in them?
Don't forget.
I will not forget it.
Don't forget this one.
Okay, let us open it.
Move.
Here we go.
Green.
How do you like this color?
Good.
You like it? I think it's so pretty.
I squeeze this.
Yeah, you squish it, stretch it, play with it, have fun with it, and de-stress yourself. Pull it! There you go. Does it feel good in your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This says it's Avalanche Kings. It has so many foam balls in it. We can open it up and try to mix the foam balls into the slime.
Foam balls with slime.
Yes, these are foam balls with slime. There we go. But it's easier if you scoop it out with your hands. There you go. Ooh, how does it feel on your hands?
Yeah.
Is that gooey or what? How does your hands feel? Sticky. Sticky. Let's play with it. Let's open it up and see. How does that feel?
Good.
Good? Okay, what's on your hands?
Foam balls.
Foam balls, yes. They are all going in the air, right? Does it feel odd playing with it? Does it feel weird?
No.
No? Let's all take the foam balls and then put it inside our bowl. So at the end, we can make the rainbow popcorn. Next, let us explore this scented slime. It says it is cheese flavored. You want to open it up and smell it?
Cheese masala.
Cheese masala, okay. Ooh, look at that. You want to smell it? How does it smell like?
Cheese masala.
It smells like cheese masala. Alright, let's scoop it out and put it on the table so you can explore how that slime feels. Ooh, it looks like it's molten cheese.
Ooh.
Yeah. Molten cheese slime. Look at it. Look at that. Look at how stringy it is. Right? It's gooey. Yeah? It looks like Mac. What's inside? What do you feel? Does it have foam balls too?
Yes.
Yes, look at this. It's a little bit gluey, right? It's gooier than most other slimes. Yes? Okay, alright, let's put it into the container and then we can... Okay.
It's ringy telephone.
Okay. Alright, let us try something new now. This one is Rainbow Ooze. Be all minds. That's the name of this slime. So let's open it. It looks interesting. Okay. How does it feel?
We'll see.
We'll see, yes. Let's put it on the table and explore this slime. It is in different layers of colors.
Put it.
Okay. Let us smash it. Is it a little bit slimy or is it a little bit jelly?
What did I break for you?
You broke the slime for me. It looks like it's more jelly, right?
No. Colorful jelly.
Yes, it looks like colorful jelly. And look at the sparkle. I see some sparkle in it. Now we explore this icing slime with sprinkles. And it says it is scented. Let's open it and see what kind of a scent it
has cupcake.
It looks like cupcake, yes.
Cupcake frosting.
Yeah. How does it smell?
Smells like cupcake.
It smells like cupcake. Alright, let's add it to your table.
I'm going to take my hand.
Yeah. Let's scoop it. Ooh, that's slime. Okay.
Is it gooey slime again?
Yes, it's gooey slime again.
It feels gooey and slimy.
Okay, do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
What does it smell?
Cupcake frosting.
Cupcake frosting. It looks like cupcake frosting too.
Cupcake frosting.
Yeah, let's explore it. It looks delicious.
It looks delicious.
Okay, do you want to add it to your mixing bowl?
Yes.
Alright, let's add it. There we go. It is gooey. It is extremely gooey. Let's explore this ketchup slime. It's scented. Says it looks and feels like real ketchup.
With tater tots and chicken.
Okay, with tater tots and chicken. There we go.
In the taco box. Ketchup.
How does it smell?
Good.
Good. You want to pour it out?
No, it will mess the table.
That's the table. Okay. Do you want to just pour it into your bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pour it into your bowl. Oh, it looks like ketchup. It really looks like ketchup.
Like
yes.
raw ketchup.
Yes, raw ketchup. Yeah, you are drizzling the ketchup on your popcorn slime.
Popcorn with ketchup.
Popcorn with ketchup. Do you think it will taste good?
Yes.
You think so? You like anything with ketchup, don't you?
Yes, I like it.
Alright, we have all emptied our ketchup container. Now let's try some other slimes that we have. We have this silly putty. It says it's in a big egg and it's red in color. Let's open it. Here you go. Ready to explore. Ooh, this is a little bit harder slime, right?
Hey.
Yeah. Does it have a smell?
Yes.
What kind of smell does it have?
Some makeover smell.
Makeover smell, okay. It's very hard, right? It's not as slimy as the other slimes we have tried. Seems to be a little bit more harder to manipulate. Okay, we can also open the other one we have, which is green in color. Crack the egg open and get the slime out.
It smells green like a green apple.
It smells like a green apple.
And that one smells like that will be good.
Yeah, it is kind of stretchy. See, this is more stretchy than the other ones, right?
I add it like this way.
Okay, yeah, you can make different shapes and stretch it out. It stretches out thin.
Is this a shape?
Yeah, it's a shape. Goes. Okay. Now we have this bottles of non-toxic slime that are all together in a bundle. Okay, we have these 5 colors. Okay, I like the sparkle.
I like the sparkle.
Yeah, it's gold sparkle.
How about monkey?
Okay. And you want to like pull it onto your table and play with it? Oh, I feel it has diamonds in it. Look, it has some diamonds.
Look at this diamond.
Yes, it is precious stones. Okay, let's pull it out and let's mix our slime.
Let us know it.
Yes. Here we go. There, look, that is a silly slime.
Operating slime.
Yes. Alright, let's mix the colors and see what we can make. What colors do you have right now? What have you opened? What color is on the table? Green, and you are adding?
Blue.
You are adding a blue. Yes. Let me help you. Okay, let's pour the next one too. There you go. Here, add this.
Okay.
What color are you adding?
Yellow.
Yes, that's a beautiful lime yellow. And this one looks like it's icing again. Yes?
I see.
Let's pop it out.
So pull it down.
Let me help you.
Into the what?
Into a big puddle of slime. Do the colors mix up, or are they still separate?
They are mixing up.
They are mixing up, so okay. Do you want to add it into your bowl?
Okay.
There we go. Is bunny poo, it says. It's pink. Maybe that's how bunnies poop. You want to try it? I think that's a funny name for a slime.
Yes.
And it's shaped like a poop. Yeah. Yeah, let's open it. Silly bunny poo. Alright, there you go. Take it out. That's a funny shaped slime.
It looks like just a big jacket.
Yeah, what does that mean?
A balloon, such a big jacket turned into like a balloon.
Okay. Do you like the color?
Yes.
It's a bright.
Smell it.
Doesn't smell that great. It does. Let's see if you can break it. Let's open. Ooh, yes. You can test your strength while breaking it apart. Yes. Are you done?
Yes.
Alright, let's put it to our rainbow drizzle. Okay, let's move on. Okay. This is slimy buttery fluff. It says it's extra buttery, extra creamy. It is scented. Let's open it up. Open it.
I wanted to put this on.
Okay.
It's a packet of slime.
Okay, it's a packet of slime. Let's open the packet.
How about I put here? I found this is it smells frothy
Yeah.
and juicy, scented like you
Okay.
used a slime day.
Okay. This one is a little bit more thicker, right? But it is buttery. Look at it.
What smells it?
Smells good. Smells like bubble gum. Yeah?
Like a balloon bubble
A
gum.
balloon bubble gum. Okay.
But if what does a bird do to a balloon?
What does it can peck at it? Oh, I like the way this one feels.
And
It's not very thin. It's not too thick. It's just right. What do you think?
it's right.
Yeah. And now we have this mix and mash bunnies. It's a squishy fun. Okay, let's open this one up and see what. Okay. How does this one feel? How does it feel?
Yeah.
I think it's squishy. Is it squishy or slimy?
Squishy and slimy.
Oh, it's squishy and slimy, I see. Does it have a smell?
Yeah, it smells.
It smells okay. But I like the other one better. It had a bubblegum smell. I like that one better. Okay, now that you have our rainbow medley, are you ready to mix all of them into the rainbow popcorn?
Yeah.
Slime. So many different kinds of slime.
It's just not a chest.
We did look at all the different kinds of slimes, and they have different textures, and now you can mix all of them. Look, that's our party.
A rainbow colored necklace.
Okay.
Our dirty hands can do this.
Yes, our dirty hands can do this. Put it all together, and look, I can see the ketchup mixing with your rainbow popcorn and giving it a ketchup flavor.
Where's the ketchup?
I can see it mixing in the red background.
Hey.
Alright, we had a lot of fun playing with this slime. Do you want to know how to make some slime?
Yes.
Okay, let's explore that the next time. How to make slime from scratch.